450,000 miles, 190 or 450,000 miles. The $450 fucking dollars, 195,000 miles. Runs good, many problems. Inquire at the house or in the fucking comments section. I don't care. Try and fire it up and then okay, bounce it off the rev limiter so she knows we hate her.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, do it again. Okay. Yeah, like I said, yeah, keep it running. Runs good, but the front end is straight up fucked. The brake lines are also fucked. Something else is fucked too. It keeps, the alternator works, it charges the battery, but we took the fuse out for the radio to see if that would help with the parasitic draw, and it did help, but apparently it didn't solve our damn problem. The battery is pretty much brand fucking new. So, well, that's about it. So, let's shut her down.
It'll work for the next 2 days.
Sorry we don't have anything better else to show you. Have a good one.